Good morning. Wanted to show you something really special this morning. We got sunrise here in Benagil. These are probably the most famous caves in all of the Algarve. What they are is there's a beach, an actual beach with sand inside of a cave. Take a look at it on the internet. Just Google Benagil Caves, Benagil Caves. It's going to be tricky to film with the drone because the drone does not like to be in caves for various technical issues such as remote control signal, satellite signal, lighting, and so on. GPS issues, but I'm gonna do my best, and we'll see how it goes. Take a look at where I am, guys. So picked this one up today from the fresh fish market. Just this morning, came out of the sea. This is called, in Portuguese, it's called dourada. And it's pretty similar to, maybe it's something like a cross flavor between a sea bass and a red snapper. They call it a golden bream is the translation. I mean, you just can't be in this region without experiencing, you know, the fish here. I think you're doing yourself an injustice if you come here and not eat the fish. I mean, especially where I am in Olhão. I mean, it's all about fish here. Fresh fish. They go out in the morning early, and then they bring it into the dock. They sell it. They auction it wholesale to the merchants, from which I then buy in the fresh market that you saw in last week's video. So just some ginger slices, just a couple slices of ginger, something like that, and a little salt. Look how simple this is. You know, it's always simple here. Pepper, little paprika, and don't go overboard on the spices. It's a delicate fish, and we want to taste it. Never want to limit the star of the show, which is the fish. I'll put a little bit more salt. Now we can put the fish right on top. Was that easy enough for you? That's an entire preparation right there of the fish. It's 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. And picked up this beautiful eggplant in the market as well. And it's just gonna be this simple, guys. I mean, nothing to it. Just hit it with some salt, pepper, and olive oil. Can be generous on the olive oil. The eggplant and olive oil are one of those things that just go very well together. And put a little bit of paprika on it too, just cause. Why not? Looks pretty, doesn't it? And that's it. So here's our salad ingredients right here. Just simple. Just half of an avocado, a grilled red bell pepper with the skin removed, a beautiful greenish tomato. I like to use my tomatoes for my salads that have a little bit of green in them. Cut them really thin, and they give you a much better flavor, I think. I don't like mushy tomatoes unless I'm cooking with them. Making a tomato-based something in the pot. So cut these real finely, and gonna make a beautiful little salad here. Just simple, very thinly sliced onion. Beautiful grilled bell pepper, just delicious. Tell you what, I just love eating here. Oh my gosh, it's so cheap and so nice. The food, all local, all 100% organic. You know, the farmers just come out and set up shop with their, you know, with their goods. They're so proud of their fruits and vegetables. You know, they really take ownership of the quality of their product. Let's marinate the salad. Simple. Olive oil, white wine vinegar, a little salt, fresh oregano. Look how cute that is in a little bag. Gosh, the smell. Give it a squeeze when you're dealing with oregano. Give it a nice squeeze, you know, to get that aromatic out. That's good right there. I'm gonna put a little pepper in it. And I miss my knives, guys. I miss my knives. But that's all right. At least this one, the Airbnb, has one good knife, or decent knife. Mix it up. Little salt. Little olive oil. My goodness. Look at this. Just look at this right here, guys. Just look at that. So delicate, so good. I call that another successful lunch, guys. Dourada Portuguesa, which is golden bream is the actual translation, but the flavor is a cross between red snapper and sea bass with roasted eggplant and a mixed salad. From Algarve, Portugal, the Costa do Sul,